No, I'm tired, man. I'm sick, man. I was on Peachtree. There's so many peach trees in this motherfucker. I don't know where to tell you where I was. I'm so tired, man, these motherfuckers with these wheelchairs in these motherfucking clubs. What the fuck is up with this shit here? This motherfucker got a glove, cut off fingers and shit. Upper body strong than a motherfucker. But you gotta take him to the damn floor and wipe his mouth every goddamn 15 minutes. Take your pleasing ass to the motherfucking crib. Stupid son of a bitch. Come by me, I'll take the brake off your motherfucking wheelchair. Sit you on the escalator, you motherfucker. I'm telling like it is. Tired of stupid shit. I'm tired of, I got a dream. I'm tired of that motherfucking speech. I had a dream. If I hit that motherfucker one more time, I'll cut my goddamn ear off. Somebody else write a goddamn dream. Shit. One day we ain't gonna see it. Black folk gonna always beg, hook me up. I'm tired of the fucking hookup. Look out for a motherfucker. Look out for your goddamn self. Stinking son, bitch. No, I said for you. You tired too, you scared. I'm tired of black folks begging. I got a dream that one day black folks gonna quit acting like crabs in a barrel. I got a dream that one day fat women gonna stop wearing their belly out and shit. I got a dream that one day black sisters gonna give head without talking. Am I doing it right? Shut, suck it. Don't talk, suck it. You talk afterwards. You supposed to suck dick. I don't talk when I eat pussy, do you? There's a time and place for every goddamn thing. I got a dream. I got a whole bunch of motherfucking dreams I can tell here tonight. I'm tired. I walk down Peace Street, some motherfucker laying all on the concrete. What type of shit it is? Motherfucker healthy than a motherfucker. I came on, I kicked him. I said, what's wrong with you? Oh, nothing. Oh, won't you get up, brother? Oh, it's Bernie Mac. Yeah, it's me. What the fuck you laying on the concrete for? I'm tired. Fuck you tired from? What you do? Nothing. How the fuck you know when you're done then, you motherfucker, you? Man, don't let me be no man, man. I have an ordinance. Any bum, fuck him up on sight. Get a Hummer and knock it. Get your motherfucking ass. Motherfucker. Get your motherfucking ass. I don't bullshit. See, ever since the King of Comedy come out, you know, black folk count your money. I done got all kind of phone calls. You doing good? That mean they counting your money. 35 million. 37 million. Like we splitting in 4 ways. See, that's what the motherfuckers think. Y'all doing good. Motherfucker, I ain't got no goddamn money. The fame come before the motherfucking fortune. I'm still a nigga. These suits, I got to take back. My daughter boyfriend now. See, motherfuckers, they got money. You know how motherfuckers think you ain't never been young. Like we ain't never talked. Man, your girl, man, you better stay with her. Old man doing good. You think I ain't never said no shit like that? Motherfucker come to my house all nice. I know a nigga. When a nigga wants something nice. How you doing, sir? They talk right, motherfucker. Don't sir. Call me motherfucker like you be doing behind my back. I ain't no fool, man. Man, that motherfucker sitting up there, I want to marry your daughter. I said, why the fuck you want to marry? Look at me and tell me why the fuck you want to marry my motherfucking daughter. Because you think I got some goddamn money. Man, I'll fuck you up. It'll be all on the goddamn news. Bernie shot this motherfucker in the mouth. I keep a pistol. I ain't gonna bullshit. I'm a member of the NRA. I'll blow your motherfucking head off. I ain't gonna try to be nice. I wish he would touch my goddamn daughter. You'd be some yellow tape all around this motherfucker. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker and I'm gonna go to the funeral and I'm gonna dig his ass up and re-kill that motherfucker again. Fuck that.